Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
72 degrees our air temperature, a little bit of cloud cover out there, and we have a northeast wind that has brought in a little bit more humidity. We're at 68 degrees now as a dew point value as opposed to low 60s, upper 50s, which we were just 24 hours ago. In fact, across the board, all of our weather watchers are reporting a little bit more humidity and a little bit more warmth in the air out there. Cooper in central Sarasota has 76 degrees. Becky in Omayaka, 66. Scott, who lives in Pinecrest, has 72. Jeff in Laurel Park coming in with 73. Richard in Northport, 72. So is Al in Northport, different part of Northport, coming in at 72 as well. So a pretty popular number. Today, I think we'll see our temperatures continue to climb up to about 85 for a daytime high. Kind of a mix of sun and clouds. Sometimes it'll be partly cloudy. Sometimes it'll be mostly cloudy. I don't think we'll see much in the way of rainfall. Rainfall kind of at a minimum out here in Gulf waters. You know, it's not out of the question that you get a little bit of a sprinkle from maybe some of the thicker clouds that are moving by, but nothing appreciable today. The cloud cover kind of riding on this general zonal flow from west to east across Gulf waters, and that will continue throughout the day. It's going to take an area of low pressure that's developing back here in the western Gulf and let it ride right on that railroad track of upper level winds and bring it across North Florida, I think probably by Friday, probably midday to late day Friday, we'll see the frontal boundary itself actually move through. The cold front, that's the one that may have a line of some storms with it that could produce showers, thunderstorms. Maybe some severe weather. We'll be monitoring for that, but really the severe weather threat looks like it's going to be much further north. The area of low pressure is also going to tap into some of Willa's moisture as it lifts northward and falls apart over Mexico. The whole system lifts off to the north and to the east and brings that heavy rainfall across the northern Gulf waters. The heaviest of the rain does indeed look like it'll fall in Louisiana, Alabama, and Georgia, and maybe the Florida Panhandle as well. As the front moves through our area, we will get that line of showers moving through until it finally clears the state and we're left with a little residual cloud cover, but that too should clear out. Storm Prediction Center lists the northern part of the state, around the Big Bend region, and points north as having the most likely location for severe weather, and really that severe weather threat is really in the marginal category. At this point, we are not included in that, but like I say, we'll keep an eye on it, monitor it, and let you know if there are any changes in that threat for us. Certainly the winds will be strong. Northeast wind coming in at about 10 to 15 today, light chop, 2-foot seas. Probably going to need a small craft advisory as we head into Friday. 127 will be our high tide, low tide 729. And the forecast for the week ahead looks like this. It's nice. 85 today, 86 tomorrow. The chances of rain increase on Friday with that front. Then we clear over the weekend, turn a little cooler. We have another front on Monday that bumps us down even further. Looks like Halloween forecast is going to be A-OK. Temperatures running in the 70s next week.